Hey guys, so I am at the new house at the minute. I don't really live here yet because literally I don't have any of my stuff here yet. It's taken so much longer than I ever thought it would to actually move here. So if it sounds super echoey, it's because it is. This room is pretty much empty, but all of my Halloween stuff is here, so I'm gonna do my next Halloween haul here. I don't really have a background or anything at the minute. I'm literally sat on a camping chair right now, so don't mind the background and stuff. It will be fun at some point, but the first thing I'm going to show you I thought I would do first so he can stand in the background. This is probably the most expensive Halloween thing I've bought so far, and this is this little ghost and pumpkin guy. He's made of like a resin, I would say. He's got a little battery compartment at the bottom because the pumpkin lights up, which I'll show you in a minute. But this, I think, was $29.99 or something like that, or maybe $24.99. Pretty sure it was $29.99 though. So he's just a cute little ghost who's blushing, and then he's holding this big pumpkin at the top. Like I said, it does light up, so I will turn that on. I'm not sure if you can really see it on the camera, but you can see in there is actually a light. So when it's dark, when I don't have my filming light on, this lights up really, really bright. So I'm going to put him back here so he is in the whole video, basically. So he can just live there for the rest of the video. He's hiding the spooky sign, but that is fine. So that is the first thing that I've got. Next is a couple of items from Hobbycraft. So we've got these two little tiki drinking glasses. I wouldn't say that they're black. They're kind of like a really, really dark blue colour. And they are glass. I think these were either £1 or £2 each. Super cheap. They had different colours of them as well. I think they had orange and like a pinky purple colour, but we just got the dark ones. So there's two of those. Also, I know someone's going to mention it, I have little stubby nails at the minute because with moving I've nearly ripped my actual nails off a couple of times now, so they're just short and gross. The next thing we got from Hobbycraft is two of these glass skull bottles. I think these were £4 each. So this one is a black one with like a clear top, and this one is a purple one with a clear top. They have like a trying to do it with both of them at the same time. They have like a little kind of plastic cork sort of stopper. I'm not sure what I'm really going to use these for. Maybe like to put like cordial in or something, or maybe gin. I don't really know, but I just thought they were really, really pretty. I think there was another colour of this too, but for some reason I just wanted the black and the purple one. So there is those two. Next I got some more candles because it's me and we all knew it was going to happen. So this is one of the ones that I mentioned in the last video that I didn't actually have with me at the time. This is a little mini one called Boo. It's from DW Home. If you watched my last haul, I got like a good few different ones of this. This one has a really cute little ghost and moon design on the lid. Kind of smells the same as the rest of them, like a vanilla-y pumpkin sort of scent, and this one was $2.99. And then I was lucky enough to actually find two of the Halloween Ray Dunn candles. One of them isn't perfect, which is this one, and it's the Boo little ghosty candle. He's got kind of a bit of a black mark on his head, sort of painted in there, but he's still really, really cute though. So that is the lid topper. Smells amazing. I'd say it's more like a caramelly sort of scent. Oh, toasted marshmallow, that's amazing. So that is the Boo one, and this one was $12.99. And then the next one I got is this giant pumpkin which says toxic on the front. This one is a double wicked one. This one's fruity. It is, oh, mulled wine apparently. Honestly, I just more wanted these for the containers, so when the candles like burned down, I could use this pot for something else because it's really, really cute. So that is that one. Next I got a couple of kitchen items. So the first one I got is this haunted house cookie jar, I know people went mad for this. Everybody really wanted this. I was lucky enough to be up at like 1 AM and got it off the TK Maxx website. It's a lot smaller than I actually thought it would be. Like compared to my hand, I don't know if you can tell kind of how little it actually is, but it was only $7.99. And this whole top part comes off, and then it's like a little cookie jar. Honestly, not sure I'm really ever going to use it, but I just thought it was adorable, and it kind of goes with my kitchen, so that is that. Then my friend picked this up for me. I do have another thing in this print, but I don't have it yet. So this is like a little utensil pot. You put all your like spatulas and spoons and things like that in here. This was only $5.99. It is like a ceramic-y kind of thing. It's by the brand Core Kitchen, but it was from TK Maxx. So it's just black with a cobweb print on it. Like I said, in my next haul that I'm gonna do soon, I will have another thing with this print on, but this is all I have for now. It's huge as well, so very good for $5.99. Then I got this, which is a little like, I don't really know what it's supposed to be. It just says canister. I don't really know what you'd do with this though. It's microwave safe. Not sure why you'd ever put this in the microwave, but it's kind of like a speckly white and orange colour with the grey and black cobweb and spider. $4.99. Just thought it was really cute. Again, I've got another thing in this design in my next haul, which I don't have yet coming. So you'll see another similar thing to this in that one too, but I don't know, maybe I'll put like spaghetti in it or something, who knows. There's that anyway. And then I got a few more little like plates and bowls and stuff. So I got one of these plates. I can't remember how much this was. I've taken the price off it, but I think it was either $3.50 or $3.99. It's got like an apothecary kind of thing going on. Little eyeballs in the jar and stuff, and it's like a, I don't know what you'd call this, like a bumpy side part. This is by Royal Wessex, so a different brand than all the other ones that I've been getting. But I could only find one of these, which is a little annoying. I would have preferred two, but I grabbed it anyway because it's super cute. And then I also got two of the bowls, which are kind of similar. They're just like little, I don't really know what you'd use them for. Like a snack bowl. These were $3.49, so I got two of those. And the last kitchen TK Maxx item I've got to show in this one is this cobweb metal trivet, I think they're called. This was $3.99. I actually got three of these. I've already got two in the kitchen. They're kind of like, you just put them on the side, and then when you've got a hot pan or a hot bowl or something, you put them onto this so that it doesn't damage the worktop. So I thought they were really cute. It's kind of like a black metal kind of colour. So I got three of them, $3.99 each. They did have pumpkins and skull designs and stuff as well, but I liked the cobweb ones best. Next, I actually just got these today. These are from Home Bargains. I searched everywhere for this last year, and luckily this year they've brought them back. This is a pumpkin glass sweet jar. So it's literally just a giant glass pumpkin with a lid on it. Says it's a sweet jar, but you could use it for pretty much anything. It's probably gonna go like on my coffee table or something. I just thought that it was really cute, and for $3.99, a bargain. So I got one of those. And then the only other thing that was in my Home Bargains at the minute was one of these candles. I've seen loads of people posting like bowls and cups and stuff in there, but they don't have them in mine yet. So I just got this pumpkin chai candle. It's by Wickford & Co. It was $2.99. Honestly, I don't smell pumpkin. I just smell like a really fresh, fruity scent, but $2.99. Big candle. I got it because I have a candle problem. Next, from TK Maxx, I have another bath mat for the other bathroom, and I have a cushion, and I'm not sure I'm going to keep the cushion because it's way smaller than I thought it was. So I'll show you the bath mat first. If you saw my last video, I had another bath mat which was white and black, and it said Hocus Pocus. This one is cream and black with little tassels, and it is a giant cobweb One of the bathrooms that we have is white and black, and one of them is like a beigey peach kind of colour and white. So I thought that this one would probably go better in that bathroom. So there is that. And this is the cushion I bought online, and I don't love it. I thought it was going to be way bigger than it is, honestly. This was $12.99. I feel like that's super expensive for such a teeny little cushion. It's really cute, but I don't know. I'm probably just gonna sell this on Instagram or something, like just for retail price with postage. So yeah, I will put that on there soon probably. It's super cute, but I just don't need that. I have a million cushions and I kind of thought that it was gonna be bigger, so there is that. And then we are actually nearly at the end now. I've only got 4 things left to show you. So 2 of them are kind of like decoration items. The first one is this spooky tree guy. He is from TK Maxx or Homesense, and again, he's kind of like a resin material. He was $12.99. He's got a little gravestone at the side. I just thought this was really, really cute. Very random. I don't really know where he's gonna go, but I just loved him. I didn't actually find this myself. Sinister Signs on Instagram picked this up for me, so a shout out to her. Thank you very much for finding him and sending him to me. So that is the spooky little tree man. And then the other decoration item I got is this, which I think is amazing. This came from the range. I don't remember how much it was, but it was pretty cheap. I'm pretty sure it was maybe £6 or something like that. The camera is ruining it with the love heart, but it's a glass globe thing, gloss are they called, with a gravestone in there which says rest in peace. It's got a little skull with a crow and some moss and stuff. I'll try hold it back here, see if that helps, if you can see it any better. But it also lights up. So cute. I kind of want to open it up and put some real animal bones in here. I dissected some owl pellets, and I have like rat and mouse and chick skulls and stuff, and I think them piled up in here would be really cool. But I don't want to break it because it is glued in there, but really cool though. So that was from the range. They have some amazing stuff this year. I've not really been in very much, but they have some really cool things. And then I have 2 items left. So the first one is something that my friend actually gave me. It's not necessarily a Halloween item, but I just thought I'd throw it in here because it's horror, so it's kind of the same. This is a Chucky heat changing mug. So it starts off black when it's cold, and when you put hot water in it, like the picture shows up. So that is very cool. I'm not sure where it was from. She just bought it for me as a present, so there is that. And the last thing I've got is these, which my boyfriend actually bought for me. These are some little ghost glasses. They're like a set of 4 tumblers. They're from Next. They were £14. They are actually real glass, and they all just have these little different faces on them. I'm not going to get them out because knowing me, I'll end up breaking one, but they have these 4 designs on them. So they are really, really cute. And yeah, that was everything that I've got in my second Halloween haul. I do have more stuff on the way, I'm not gonna lie. It's coming from TK Maxx online. It's literally only August, so I'm gonna do so many more Halloween hauls. But I hope you enjoyed this anyway. If you did, please subscribe. Let me know down below what your favourite thing was. And hopefully next time I do a video, it might be a better background than this. Although I think he looks really cute there, so maybe he can stay, I'm not sure. But yeah, I hope you liked the video, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.